You in particular have no idea what this person is planning, but the cards do here. Okay, the cards definitely do. 10 of cups and the king of cups. What an opening. You have absolutely no idea what this person is planning right now, and trust me, this reading is just not it. There's a lot more to it. I need you to listen carefully because what I'm picking up today is very different. This is not just somebody sitting there missing you. This is not another, they are thinking about you sort of reading. This is an actual decision forming behind the scenes. Oh my God, something they haven't told you yet, and something they may not even show through their behavior yet. And the cards I'm getting around this person are making me feel that whatever they do next could completely change how you see this connection now and forever, because there are two energies here that I see what they are showing you, and what, oh my God, and what they are secretly preparing themselves to do. Oh, and those two things, guys, are completely different. You have to trust me on this. So the cards that I see here is 10 of cups, king of cups, 2 of swords. So just stay with me because I'm going to check three things today. I'm going to check their current energy and thoughts about you. What are they feeling and thinking? I'm going to check your energy towards this particular connection. And then the part I really want to see is the third one is what exactly are they planning next? Okay, and there's one card I'm going to clarify towards the second half of this reading because I don't know yet whether this is a message, a meeting, or something much bigger, because I have page of cups also, I have 9 of cups also, sun, chariot, 10 of swords, 10 of pentacles, and 6 of swords here. My God. So don't jump ahead. Let's get into this. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very strongly seen here. Leo energy as well, and Cancer energy too. I see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and air signs as well. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, actually all the signs. Okay, now interesting. Okay, because I want to start with the 4 of Pentacles here. Immediately I'm getting somebody who is holding everything extremely close to their chest, if you see this. Okay, they don't want you to know how emotionally invested they still care, or they still are. Okay, they still are, even if there has been distance, even if they have gone quiet, even if they have behaved as though they have accepted whatever happened between you both. And I somehow don't think they have emotionally released this particular energy at all. The 4 of Pentacles over here is somebody holding on and holding on very tightly. Do you see? Grip, that grip. Okay, but what makes this interesting is the next card that I see here is the Magician just below that, and there we go. That completely changes this particular energy. I'm sorry, I can't ignore the cards here. Okay, because now we are not looking at someone who is simply holding on. We are looking at somebody who is actually thinking, how do I change this? Is what they are thinking right now. How do I make something happen? How do I get this person's attention again? And they want to do anything and everything for that. There could even be a little strategy that they may be planning. There could be a little, um, you know, thought process going on in their mind. Not necessarily manipulation, but a strategy is what I feel, and intuitively, I think they are thinking about how to approach you right now. And I feel they know they cannot approach you exactly the way they did before, because something about you has changed. Okay, something about you has definitely changed, and we are going to look at that in a minute. But first, I want to see what exactly are they thinking. Okay, I want to tap into that and then we'll carry forward. Basis the energy that I can read and with the pile that I see here, their current thoughts and feelings about you. Oh my god. Queen of Swords. That explains everything actually. That explains everything. They think you are harder to access now. Maybe before they felt they could disappear and come back. Maybe before they thought you would always understand them. Maybe you gave them more emotional room also. But now, if you may ask me, they are seeing boundaries. They are actually seeing boundaries. They are seeing somebody who could potentially say, no, that's enough, not anymore. And strangely, this is making them think about you more. This is also making you think about, making them think about you even more, because I do see there is nostalgia here, there is emotional freedom, but they are thinking about you. I see memories, I see specific conversations, I see specific moments, and for some of you they are replaying what you said, because there are a lot of emotional cards that I've received. You may have said something to them before this distance, happened, that they didn't understand at that time, and now they understand it. I don't know, is it too late for you or not? Let me know in the comment section right now and hype this particular video if this resonates with you. It's something like one day you're going to realize what you lost. Maybe that's what you said, or I cannot keep doing this. Or maybe something like, I hear I need consistency, stability, security, and now they are looking back thinking, you were right. But here's where this reading gets interesting, because underneath all these cards and energies, I also see 10 of Swords, 6 of Swords, 2 of Swords, and the 7 of Swords also. Now, before anybody panics, I want to clarify this, because 7 of Swords that I see beside these cards can mean they are hiding something. Okay, hype this particular video, like this, and comment 1111 and let me know where you are watching from, because I love reading your comments and what exactly you're going through. Now, what they're hiding, that's what we need to find out now. Okay, now before I clarify, I want to check your energy. I want to tap into your energy now, because something tells me, with the clarifying cards that I have pulled out right now, with more cards that I have pulled out right now, uh, your energy is actually the reason this person is behaving differently right now, I would say. 9 of Pentacles, there it is. You're becoming less emotionally available to uncertainty. That doesn't mean, that necessarily doesn't mean that you stopped loving them. No, those are two, completely different things that I see. You can love someone and still become exhausted by their inconsistency. You can miss somebody and still decide you deserve peace. And I feel many of you have reached that strange stage where part of you still wonders. Okay, where a part of you still wonders, and it's like asking yourself, are they coming back? Are they coming back? But another part of you is saying, if you come back, you better come back different. Which is right, justified at your end. And they can feel that. Yeah. Especially if you have stopped chasing, which I do. see many of you have. If you stopped checking on them, if you stopped giving reactions, stop trying to explain yourself, your silence has created a question in their mind. Have I actually lost them? And that is where their plan begins. Let me just clarify the Seven of Swords energy as well. And wait, because this is not what I expected. Not at all. Now, what are they hiding? What are they hiding? Clarifying the Seven of Swords here, the card that I received is the Page of Pentacles, and I have received Two of Wands here. They are planning an approach, but they haven't decided exactly how they are going to execute it for sure. And this person is watching the situation before making their move. And for some of you, I see they may be checking your social media account. For others, they may be trying to understand whether you are still emotionally open to them or not. And for a smaller section, for a smaller group here watching this particular video, I feel they could be asking someone about you indirectly. But when I look at Page of Pentacles energy, Page of Pentacles tells me something important here. They know a casual, hey, how have you been? Might not be enough anymore. There has to be something tangible behind this. An invitation, a conversation, an apology, an offer, something that gives you a reason to believe them. Now, let me see what they are actually planning now. Okay, because this is where I want to separate fantasy from intention. What are they genuinely preparing to do? If you may ask, if I may reveal their plan over here, I have received Eight of Wands in that energy, which means communication. That is our first confirmation. The minute you're going to see this video, it doesn't matter whenever you come across it, it's a timeless collective energy within 8 hours. But followed with that, judgment, which is just wow, that's a bigger casual message. Judgment is unfinished business coming back up for resolution, I would say. It's somebody realizing they cannot keep running from a situation forever. And then Knight of Pentacles also that I see in this spread. This is why I told you not to leave when we saw that Seven of Swords and the rest of the cards, because their hidden plan does not look like let me flirt with them and disappear again. The Knight of Pentacles says over here, if I do this, I need to do it properly. And now, does that mean everybody watching is getting a marriage proposal tomorrow? Ten of Cups here. I would say majority of you is. But energetically, this is someone becoming aware that the old approach cannot create the result they want. They may start small, a message, or maybe an apology also over here, maybe a reaction, finding an excuse to speak, asking how you are, bringing up something from the past, maybe. But underneath that small action is a much bigger question. Can we rebuild this? Can we reconnect? Can we rebuild this? And there's another layer to it. Because I asked the cards, what are they most afraid will happen when they approach. And i and i got 5 of Pentacles here. They're afraid that you will reject them. Interesting reversal, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section, guys, and do let me know your story, whether this resonates with you or not. I love reading your comments, and that's where I pull up my next day's reading. And comment the tables have turned if this one resonates with you. I want to see how many of you are genuinely experiencing this shift, and hype this particular video right now to activate this energy in your life. And if you are still watching at this point, subscribe to my channel, because these deeper readings are exactly what we do here. Also, if you watch my readings regularly but haven't joined the channel membership yet, this is your invitation. Get access to the early readings on my channel right now, right away. My members actually get closer access to the deeper side of this community and additional member only content and benefits as well. So you'll see the join button below the video if membership is available on your account or not. Okay, now let's just quickly get back into this, because I haven't asked the most important question yet, I would say. What happens if they actually follow through with this plan? Future, basically, if they actually follow through this, because intention is one thing, action is another. Okay, and before I pull that outcome, one very important thing, an announcement that I want to make here, because we are approaching the 8-8 portal, Lionsgate portal. My 8-8 Lionsgate portal spellwork bookings are now open. The slots are very limited. I'm already booked out. Very few slots are remaining for the spell work. For me, this is one of the most powerful energetic dates I work with during the year, and it comes around only once annually, which is 8th of August every year. So if you have been waiting to focus on your intention around love, on money, finances, abundance, manifestation, personal power, success, confidence, clearing blocks, or calling in a new chapter, anything and everything can be done here. Okay, this is the booking window that you can approach. I keep the spaces limited because I want to give proper attention to the work rather than overbooking here. All right, so if you have been thinking about doing any sort of spell work or healing work with me around the Lionsgate portal period, please don't wait until the last moment. You can go ahead and do the booking right now, right away. And the best spell for this particular reading, if this resonates, is 21 days love combo, guys. Voila, you can check the booking information linked in with this particular video. Now back to this person, because I asked the cards what happens if they actually execute this particular plan. And look at this. Okay, what came up is what the I would say outcome, and I would also say it's a final twist here, because the Ace of Swords here, a truth comes out, something finally gets said, and besides it, Three of Pentacles. This is a conversation about whether something can actually be worked upon or not. Not just I miss you, not just I miss you. It's more like, where do we go from here? What would need to change? Can this actually work? But I want you to notice something here that I have noticed. I don't know whether you have, or intuitively you have or not. Your card was Nine of Pentacles as well here. Their outcome card is Three of Pentacles, meaning they may come wanting cooperation with you, but you decide whether they have owned access to you again or not. And that is the power shift in this particular reading. They may have a plan, they may be preparing communication, They may want another opportunity, but the cards are not telling you to sit around and sit around waiting. Your energy is saying keep building your life. Keep building your life, because if they return, they need to meet the version of you who exists now. Okay, not the version of you who accepted less before. And there's one final card here. What I see is, I asked here, what does the collective not see coming? Okay, the Chariot movement, something that has been stagnant, starts moving now. And I feel the speed of it may surprise you, because this person has spent so long overthinking the spread and the speed both. Once they make the decision, the energy changes quickly, like literally very quickly. Okay, now, okay, so your reading today is very clear, very crystal clear. Actually, they are holding more inside than they are showing. This person wants to get married to you, they want to propose to you, and that is what is majority of you is going to receive. 10 of cups and king of cups. They see that your energy has changed. They are worried that they may have lost the access they once had to you. And behind the scenes, they are considering how to reopen communication without repeating the same pattern. But remember this, their plan is not your promise. Let their actions show you whether their intentions are real or not. And if this reading found you at the right time, comment, I choose what chooses me, because this person is choosing you. So save this reading and come back to it if communication happens, because I want you to compare what unfolds with what came through today. It's also Lionsgate portal. There are a lot of things that are going to unfold around this time and after that. And subscribe if you want to be here for the next reading, because I'm going deeper into the energy around what happens when this person realizes they cannot approach you casually anymore. And I'm going to see what next I'm going to cover through your comments, the topic. And once again, 88 Lionsgate portal spell work bookings are open now. If you feel called to work with that energy this year with me, check the booking details before the available spaces fill. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next reading next time tomorrow. Take care and take care of yourself, of your beautiful heart. Bye bye. This is Luna the Moon Tarot signing off right now.